Are you adding someone to a WhatsApp group? Now you can let them catch up on the conversation instantly. WhatsApp has added a really useful feature called Group Message History, which lets you share some of the most recent messages with a new member when you add them to a group. And here is how to use it. First, open WhatsApp and go to the group where you want to add someone. Then, tap the group name at the top to open the group information. Tap Add Members and search for the person you want to add. Now, when you select their name, WhatsApp will show you an option to share recent message history with this new member. This is where you can decide whether you want to send the recent messages or not. And there is an important detail. You can choose to share 25, 50, 75, or up to 100 of the most recent messages. So if you turn this option on and choose 100, the new member will receive the latest 100 messages from the group. If you leave it off, those previous messages won't be shared, and the person will only see the conversation from the point they join. Once you confirm and add the person, they can open the group and catch up on the recent conversation without asking everyone, "What did I miss?" And don't worry, WhatsApp does not automatically share your entire group history. You choose whether to share it, and the maximum is 100 recent messages. So if you regularly add new people to WhatsApp groups, this feature can save you a lot of time. If you found this tip useful, give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp and iPhone tips, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.